नाजिया इज़ दिस क्यूट लुकिंग गर्ल, मतलब बोलते ना वेरी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर. तो मैंने जब इनसे डे वन से जब बात चल रही थी, सारी बातें हुई हमारी फोटोशूट को लेके, तो मैंने रियलाइज़ किया था शी ऑलवेज बीन द मॉडल टाइप. जिन्होंने भी पहले इसे शूट किया है, दे ऑलवेज बॉट आउट द मॉडल आउट ऑफ हर. I said, ठीक है, let me get the girl out of her. So we are today targeting to shoot the girl next door, soft, cute. Though अभी she's wearing a very glamorous dress, but I think a glamorous dress के अंदर भी essence होता है where it is Nazia. You're going to see her. She's not trying to play and be any sexy, good-looking model. मतलब it's not trying to be someone. It's her herself.
Something about the photo shoot you're gonna do it today. What is exactly all about?
So basically, the shoot that I'm doing is kind of for my PR as well, and certain magazines. This shoot for me is extremely important because from all the other photo shoots that I've loved, and I have spent at least 2 weeks together now, 2 weeks together just to bring together this one day where it's been clothes, makeup, hair. We've had couple of, we just sat down for coffee and talked, because I kept telling him and he kept telling me, I want to know you. Who are you? What are you doing here? And I said the same thing. I said, I want you to know me because then that's the way you'll know how to show me. So we've been preparing like this for the past 2 weeks. We've got like what I'm wearing right now. It's a little glam, sexy, diva-ish type, but I'm having lots of fun doing it. As in, it is a lot of those posing and this, but it's not only about the clothes. It's about the personality, which is he's bringing out in me. He's challenging me. If I'm not doing a good job, he'll look at me and he'll say that अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. So we're being very playful together, and I'm so glad because I had these nerves wrecking for the past 5 days. I was like क्या होगा बाबा भगवान, क्या होगा. But आज सुबह 6 बजे से हम लोग शूट कर रहे हैं, and I think every minute is getting more energetic or getting more inspired. I'm getting more inspired for sure. He keeps saying हाँ better हो रहा है. So yeah, so I mean finally it's here, and we're doing a good job.
Okay, ma'am. So this will be a proper catalog shoot or gonna be a
Not a catalog. This is not it's not for a fashion. It's me. As you know, I'm doing films. I'm an actor. So this is not for a catalog. This isn't for any sort of to promote a style or something. It's just to bring me and my personality of who I am as a person and who I am as an actor out and capture that and show that basically.
Okay, how difficult to shoot her or how easy it was for you?
I think it's been fun. मतलब there's no difficulty. I think वो थोड़ा सा challenge होता है when वो बोलते ना she gets into a very different mood of doing मस्ती. So I have to calm her down कि नाज़िया, we need good sweet pictures. कभी she gets into a different world and she's been making very crazy expressions. मतलब so I have clicked those pictures and I said नाज़िया, I'm going to blackmail you with these expressions. तो मतलब there's been some very मतलब बोलते ना child in her. वो कभी वो बच्ची बाहर आ जाती है, तो थोड़ा उसको कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है कि okay, you are an actress. Let's have the sweet, good-looking pictures also there.
Again, Nazia, is this the dress designed by you only or something?
No.
you have
This
picked it
is
up?
this is by Rocky S. This outfit is by Rocky S. He's a very close friend of mine. So he's styled most of the outfits for my shoot.
Another, you are an actress, so what will be the next project?
The next film that I'm doing it's called Tom, Dick and Harry Part 2. I'm opposite Afshaf Shibdistani. It's directed by Deepak Tijori. So that we roll that with that film in August.
It's been long that we are going to see you on Shabbat.
Yes, it has.
What does it take you too long?
Why does it take too long? Well, firstly, it took me too long. First, I went to the South for a year. I was there. I did a South Telugu film. Once I came back, I didn't really, as in honestly like any offers that were coming along. Now there's one thing. It's that Joby, I take that, or it's take a chance, wait it out, and wait for something good. Something that will take you to the next level, because that's always what I've believed. From the first film that I've started till now, I've always managed to take one step ahead rather than take one step forward. That has always been my focus. So it took a year. Okay, there was a lot of nervousness. It's very stressful. Believe you me, your skin starts showing how stressed you are. Anybody says that they don't take stress over here, it's all rubbish. It's quite stressful, but you have to take a chance. And that is the only thing you can do. And I did, and luckily, the grace of God.
But though you are part of industry, being a Sanjay Dutt means, do you find it difficult to be entered in the Bollywood?
Of course, definitely. I found it as difficult as the next person here. You know, it's not easy. I mean, I've come with a name, but I mean, I've struggled. You know, I mean, I've stood in lines, I've done auditions. You know,
But
it is very
don't you
difficult.
think that Sanjay Dutt's name, somewhere down, helps you maybe getting some roles? Or something
No,
like that?
on the contrary, it puts on more pressure because I come into a category of star kid where it's not true. I mean, I'm a normal person. I've lived a normal life. I've grown up. I've gone to a convent school. You know, so when I used to travel to Andheri for acting school, I used to travel by local trains, Andheri fast. You know, Churchgate to Andheri, and then rickshaws and all that. I know everything about it. So no, it just gave me a name, and they looked at me and they said. But that was never true, you know. I'm there running behind trains and auto rickshaws and bhaiya jaoge ki nahi char bangla. So no, it doesn't. It gives you on the contrary at a certain point of time it does put a lot of pressure onto you also because you're born with a silver spoon. तो acting तो खून में है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Acting passion में होती है, मेहनत में होती है.
Just coming back to Tom, Dick and Harry, means what are we going to see the different Nazia altogether?
Definitely from the past, the things that I've done has been always on a very romantic level, on a very girl next door level, as he said. That is true. I will be retaining, but now my masti is going to come out. Basically, you know, abhi asliyan bahar niklegi. Because it's a comedy. I've not done a comedy before. So I get to do a lot of antics. I get to be sexy at the same time. But I get to be a little menacing, you know. So it's a different genre of films than what I have done before, being a romantic
Who
lead.
you going to be opposite?
Aftab Shivdasani. Yeah.
Okay, love, coming back to shoot, so what sort of changes you going to take, or are there some special changes you're gonna take?
We are doing, this is one look that you're going to see. After this, we're doing a black color gown. So the gown is that very diva, this is the very sexy. So it's diva and sexy put together. So I think more than my words, it's my pictures that are going to say. So I think come watch the pictures
Any special treatment for this shoot you are doing for this,
See,
maybe we are seeing
correct. We are not.
something
Correct.
which we like
So we are shooting today at Socials Andheri. So this is the most recent place in Andheri. This
Just
place.
opened on the 7th this month.
This place just opened last week, so I think there's no photo shoot that's been done. So we've been, I think Nazia has good connections and good friends. Where
I
we've-
have very nice friends. Yeah.
So
God
it's-
bless them.
So we've got all the friends together, and I mean, if you see the makeup, the hair, the location, I think the location is really playing a lot of difference because वो एक स्टूडियो में अगर आप रहते हो, आप एक वाइट बैकड्रॉप पे रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाते हो, यू आर जस्ट स्टैंडिंग देयर पोजिंग. क्या करोगे आप एक स्टूडियो में? सिर्फ आपके हाथ ये हो गए, यू आर जस्ट मूविंग दैट मच. So there are a lot of props and a lot of different locations. So it's making the pictures a little more real and realistic.
On the contrary, the restaurant's running. It's not shut. It's not on lockdown. So there's an energy. The people around, you know, chatting, talking. Some of them are wondering what the hell is going on over here, you know. But it's fun because there's so much of drama, you know, and that kind of, I think, kind of helps. You know, it brings a little tinge to it. So we've been having fun.
What's the best thing about love?
The best thing about love is that all this while that I've been whatever my stressing was like the bhaiya ho jayega na yaar bhaiya this that love has just handled me so well completely in everything. Not that I'm difficult to handle love, am I? No.
No, but I think she takes stress. Yeah, I think that is
I do. I'm a little bit of a stress button, but he's been like really like calm, and he's like been like my rock through this. So I'm that's why I've absolutely enjoyed it. And now when I see like the pictures that we've created and all that, they're amazing. Like I've never looked like that.
But do you feel, such photo shoots that makes a difference in your career? It will boost up your
It's not about does it make a difference in my career or boosts up my career. It gives a change. Everything. Today it's this, tomorrow it's something else. Our industry, I mean, it's constantly changing, you know. I mean, every other week there's something new there. People want it. Everything's so fast paced. It's the digital media time, you know. I mean, so no, I mean, this is just something. This is just new for me right now. You know, so it's for me specifically. I don't know about anything else, but for me specifically, as an actor, as someone, you know, who like is pursuing of Korean films, and I love being photographed. I do a lot of my own photography. I keep taking selfies all the time. So this is something. It's interesting. I've never shot in a location like this. You know, with the running business going around and all this fun. And if you like look around the colors and the vibes of this whole place, so it's basic. It is for me to do something different, and then next week we'll probably do something different. Won't we, love?
I think I'll go back to my other meeting with her at Marriott when we were sitting. I told her show me her pictures. All she had was selfies. Her phone is filled with selfies like how. So, matlab, she's a very self-obsessed girl with a lot of selfies in her phone.
I was just trying to
But
show you.
no,
my
but the point
profile.
is, when you talk of professional pictures, she just didn't have any those right professional pictures. Because she said they don't. Other photographers who have ever shot me, they never made me look like myself. So I think
You're
for
going to
me,
get me into a lot of trouble. Seriously.
Okay, apart from this, what we are going to see in future from you?
Well, I have also signed another film. It's a chick flick, but that's all I can really say about it right now. The announcement is not made, so
That's
pipeline.
Any
The two
dream
films.
role you just want to
Any dream role? No. I don't want to limit myself to that. I want to play every role. Everything.
But anything in your mind, okay, fine, maybe after comedy I want to go for a horror genre, or any such genre you want to play? Nothing like
No, I just want them to keep coming. I want them to be. I want challenges. I want surprises. I don't want to set a direction for myself कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है नहीं फिर मेरे को वो करना है. I just want to go with the flow like I have. I really have. I've just gone with the flow. That way I sat down for like a year and a half. I didn't do films, so. And at that point of time, I was still going with the flow. I was like, ठीक है, जब होना है तो हो जाएगा. So that's always been me, and that will always be me.
And if you get a chance to share a screen with Sanjay Dutt, so you're gonna accept it?
Of course, professionally, why not? क्यों नहीं बोलूँगी यार?
Thank you so much and best of luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you.